Di ko alam kung excitement ba to or mixed emotions po talaga. Or parang wala naman ako nararamdaman ngayon. Hindi pa nagsisink in talaga sa akin.
Inihaharap ko po sa inyo sina Mr. and Mrs. Roboam at Giselle Estrada.
Ano? Tuba ito. No, Sir Jim kami nun.
High school kami noon, and then magbi-meet yung friend ko at yung friend niya. Nawalan ng load yung friend ko, nawalan din ng load yung friend niya. So nakitext siya sa akin, nakitext din yung friend niya sa kanya. So doon nag-start, nakuha niya yung number ko, and then ayun, nagka-textmate. Uso pa kasi yung textmate dati. So nagka-textmate hanggang naging friends, hanggang nagkahulugan kami.
You are my sunshine. You are one of a kind. You are everything that can make the whole experience.
First date? Parang hindi ko na maalala.
First date, park lang. Yung food namin, ano lang, fishball lang dyan. Tusok-tusok, calamares, mga ganun lang.
It's you, it's you, you. It's you, it's you, you.
My dearest Roboam, I'll start with saying thank you for pursuing me, for being so understanding and patient all the time. Finally, nandito na tayo. Hindi ko akalain na aabot tayo dito. You're my answered prayer.
'Cause I hate the way I look when I cry, but I cry every time we talk, 'cause nobody knows me better.
Bago ang lahat, maraming salamat, Be. Sa lahat ng pagtitiwala at pagtsatsaga at pagtitiis sa ugali ko. Kung minsan madalas, hindi mo na naiintindihan ng mga ugali ko. Salamat. At heto na nga, nandito na tayo sa pangarap nating dalawa. Ito na at magsusumpa na tayo sa lugar kung saan natin pinangarap. Hindi natin alam kung mangyayari ba o matutupad.
Finally know now that I have found the one I want. I don't know much, but I know I want you, babe. Wherever you go, I'll be your home from this day on. I don't know much, but I know I want you for the rest of my life.
For more than 14 years, punong-puno ng kasiyahan, pagmamahalan, pagtitiis, sakripisyo, hirap at sakit. Salamat sa pagpapatunay ng love mo sa akin. Salamat dahil di ka tumigil at hindi sumuko. Now that we made it up to here, today, I promise to make you happy, to make you laugh, to cherish you, and to always be there for you.
Kaya naman ako'y nangangako, mamahalin kita. Hanggang sa dulo, alam mo yan.
I want you. We'll go through highs and lows. I'll be with you through it all. The first one that you call. Want you for the rest of my life. And I finally know now. I found the one I want. I don't know much, but I know I want you, babe. Wherever you go, I'll be your home from this day on. I don't know much, but I know I want you for the rest of my life.
I vow to always support you. I vow to be your forever spell checker. I vow to always love you, guide you, but not to obey you all the time. I vow to be always your taga-uhugas, basta ikaw ang magluto. Lastly, I vow not to let you drive when you're drunk. Please let me drive you. Thank you for everything, and I love you so much.
Every now and then, express that love, no? Na kahit na kayo'y naiinis sa bawat isa, dapat mararamdaman ng bawat isa yung pagmamahal. Hindi yung inis, hindi yung galit, kundi yung pagpapahalaga, no, sa bawat isa. Roboam, you may now kiss your wife. Palakpakan po natin sila.